సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Now we are going to discuss Kelvin's scale temperature, that is the thermodynamic temperature. This is also same as thermodynamic temperature or Kelvin's scale temperature. So the thermodynamics or Kelvin scale temperature defined as the ratio of any two temperatures. Any two temperatures, the ratio of any two temperatures is the same as the ratio of the heats absorbed and heat rejected. So here the Kelvin scale temperature is equals to Q1 upon Q2 is equals to pi of T1 and pi of T2 is equals to tau 1 upon tau 2. This is the Kelvin scale temperature. This is the Kelvin scale temperature. So the efficiency of, to prove this equation, the efficiency of all reversible engines working between the same two temperatures is a function, is independent of the nature of the working substance. So let us consider Q1 is the amount of heat absorbed by reversible engine, heat engine at temperature T1 Kelvin. That is the here T1. Okay, here T1. Let Q2 is the amount of heat rejected at temperature T2. According to Kelvin scale temperature concept, efficiency of heat engine is equal to the function of temperatures. According to Kelvin scale temperature concept, the efficiency of the heat engine is equal to the function of temperatures T1 comma T2. So here the efficiency is the 1 upon Q2 upon Q1, that is the Q1 minus Q2 upon Q1. It is the function of T1 comma T2. So this equation can be written as Q2 upon Q1 is equals to 1 minus function of T1 comma T2. Then this equation can be written as Q1 upon Q2 is equals to 1 upon 1 minus f of T1 comma T2. Let us consider this equation function of T1 comma T2. This is the first equation. Here small f, capital F are special functions. Now we consider another reversible heat engine. Q2 is the amount of heat absorbed by the engine at temperature T2. Here at T2. Q3 is the rejected heat by engine at temperature T3. Similarly, the first equation can be written as Q2 upon Q3 is equals to the function of T2 comma T3. Similarly, Q1 upon Q3 is equals to function of T1 comma T3. This is the second equation. This is the third equation. Multiplying the equation 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This is the Q1 upon Q2 into Q2 upon Q3 is equals to the function of T1 comma T2 into function of T2 comma T3. So cancel, then Q1 upon Q3 is equals to the function of T1 comma T2 into f of T2 comma T3. This is our fourth equation. From equations 4 and 3, the equations 4 and 3 can be written as we observed these two equations. So then these are all equal, LHS are equals, LHS are equal, RHS are equal, then f of T1 comma T3 is equals to f of T1 comma T2 and f of T2 comma T3. This is our fifth equation. This is our fifth equation. But the functions of temperatures are written as some other functions of temperature. So here let the function of T1 comma T2 can be written as other functions phi of T2. So the functions of temperatures are written as some other functions phi of T1 upon phi of T2. F is can be written as T2 comma T3. This equation can be written as pi of T2 and pi of T3, same as f of T1 comma T3 is equals to pi of T1 and pi of T3. These values are substituted in this equation. That equation can be written as pi of T1 pi of T3 is equals to pi of T1 pi of T2 into pi of T2 into pi of T3. So here pi of T2 is the cancel. Remaining is the pi of T1 pi of T3 is equals to pi of T1 and pi of T3, that is the f of T1 comma f of T3. So f of T1 T3 is also known as Q1 upon Q3. So then Q1 upon Q3 is equals to pi of T1 and pi of T3, and also same as Q1 upon Q2 is equals to pi of T1 and pi of T2, and also same as Q2 upon Q3 is equals to pi of T2 and pi of T3. So finally Q1 upon Q2 is equals to pi of T1 and pi of T2. The special functions can be written as τ1 upon τ2, that is equals to K1 upon represents the Kelvin scale temperature. So the efficiency of absolute zero temperature, the efficiency of reversible engine can be written as terms temperature tau 1 and tau 2, eta equals to 1 minus tau 2 upon tau 1. So because eta, since eta equals to 1 minus q2 upon q1, the efficiency of Carnot engine is 1, that equals to 1 minus tau 2 upon tau 1, that equals to tau 2 upon tau 1 equals to 1 minus 1, that equals to 0. Here tau 2 upon tau 1 is equals to 0, because this is not 0, because if denominator is 0, that is the infinity. So here tau 2 is 0. This is the temperature of the sink and absolute zero temperature. So the absolute zero temperature is defined as the temperature of the sink for a reversible engine, which converts all the heat into work and has an efficiency equal to 1. The efficiency equal to 1. This 0 is called absolute temperature. The absolute zero temperature is defined as the temperature of the sink for a reversible engine, which converts all the heat into work and has an efficiency is 1. That is called zero absolute temperature. So that is called absolute zeroth temperature.